Jadi bahasa Cina orang lain apa? Bro. Mana kadang suka itu. Oh, bro, kopi sus kasih nggak nih mah famous kasih.
Baru pura ya iseng ya parkai apro seng daito na aja.
Sarnong ke boron it maklay in charge de.
Ang manager se in charge tong.
Ke parawo tawo je chungyan to mo. Abon information no nong ting tong de. No siyo de bukti jago chungyan tong man tong.
Seng no handover kaya ko insa kabla.
Ke hasu information risanero de tong paran chinyo no no.
Why sa to phone khai khai phano seng no de samung khai nai ro handover kaya ko borok handover khai ke seng daito na na. Abu bo norok ni under process se. Norok seng ya abo norok ঠিক আছে norok borok bai kok salai mano seng no pura handover ke seng approve daito na nai. Abu bo seng no handover kaya ko seng ঠিক আছে norok current mana nang seng bo bujibo haifano borok সম্পূর্ণ seng no handover ya ke seng bo tabuk yagri mia do bongni samung under process se samung choli tongko bongni samung payasak seng to tabu borok thepai mia seng no handover khaike apru seng daito na naika
Head department chinyo no no ke permission ya khonde pa jaga wo pa area wo hor hoisting ye.
abu to process samung choli tong hinsa kabla
Abono sa ke chungpi yo sa ke chungpi an thangke ke confuse tong.
abu borok je samung pai mane borok no abu khaika
I think before 14 or 15 abon is kan ke chung tong ska. Inke after that
there might be some line fall or something that line fall to when they hand over us they will rectify everything and give us the details then after that is our office duty
Inke tawle no already inform bu khepi ha ke. Now department chinyo chung sim chumo ke. Brefu ni jorawo thirung na yabo je problem tong.
There one I cannot guarantee. They're saying they'll come on Sunday but they did not come. Maybe they'll come by tomorrow. Then when they come they'll rectify it.
Then who will give guarantee for that, sir?
Guarantee how can I give you? They did not hand over, I told you na.
We hope and come to you to know
Nana,
about this.
you come to me, complain me. I have taken your complaint.
And now as a department
I have taken your complaint.
Okay.
I have informed them. They said they're coming today. So if they don't come again, it is not my fault. They said they're coming. When they come,
See, sir.
I'll tell them. I also will order them.
The thing is not that we don't want to argue with you. We just want to come to know that when it will be okay or whatever problem is there, when it will be fixed for that.
Okay, I have informed them. Maybe by tomorrow. They said today they're coming, but today by the time they reach, it will be evening. So when they come,
we need just confirmation up to till when and how.
You take 1 or 2 days. Within 1 or 2 days, it will be done.
It will be
As
guaranteed
per
from
their
you.
work. Not guarantee mean I will order them. Only I can order them, and give us the report. Because totally their work is under process.
Yeah, that's all. That's all we need to know, sir. We want to know that's all. Just your confirmation we want. Because it is the local people is suffering for that.
Suffering in the sense this year only this work is taken up now. How can you expect?
Yeah, that's we know. But
please you give pressure route. If route is good, then everything will be okay, Earlier also 10 years back also there was some process, but due to route it was not maintained. Give us good route, then without route, how can we maintain the line? Now you are going to get electricity. It is 100% guarantee, But if route is not good, if you don't support, then it is not possible. From our office every day to go is not possible because we have lots of branch line.
You are also right, sir. But before road condition is you also know, I think.
Yeah. That's why now I'm telling. If route is good, we are always ready to support you. And your villager also should be helping us, like here everywhere. Yesterday,
local people is always help you.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling. You make one committee. From our side, we'll try to give you shutdown or maybe one staff or something like that. What you said. Your villager is also there, one staff. We'll also try to engage him maybe in future, so that he stay your side only. But we're having shortage of staff here also, only two staff in control room. He's actually in control room.
As we can see that from last I think 2 or 3 weeks, there is no any department is visiting to the area. What problem is happen and
what
how
I
is
told you,
happen?
their work is under process. Until and unless they have given us the completion report, we cannot take over. The work is not yet taken over by us. If they give us, our work is totally complete, then from that day onward, it is our responsibility. It is still under process. The work is under process. So wait for some time or some months. When they complete, the whole line will be taken by us.
So now currently now 3 village is already connection is completed, and I think it may be almost 1 month. It is there is no problems. The current also okay. There is no any issue. But suddenly from the last 2 weeks,
Not
after
suddenly 2 weeks, because already now it has come rainy season. Rainy season have come. So let's see. They said they are coming today. If they come today, maybe in the evening they may reach, but may not be possible today. Maybe by tomorrow, I think you'll get the line.
Okay. Last question, sir. The last question is that we just want confirmation that for how many days you will take to fix the problems.
That one to will try to help you, but they are the one who are maintaining right now, because the work is under process. The electrification process is not yet completed by them, not handed over to us. So if they hand over us, then maybe today also I could have arranged, but it is still in their custody or in their hand. So when they complete, maybe they are coming today, they said, so maybe by tomorrow, I think probably they'll give you the line.
Within 2 or 3 days it will be fixed.
If they come today, so maybe by tomorrow.
Okay. That's all we want confirmation from you.
Otherwise, you should have their number. They are staying in your village or Thonggla somewhere.
Yeah, it's
They
there,
are
but from your department you have to order to them. No, otherwise as a department,
again,
we know that
How
he is from our
how
village.
can I order them? I can only tell them, because their work is under process. It is not in our hand.
Okay,
we are only doing the supervision.
First of all, you have
Only
to
we are
give.
doing supervision right now. They are doing work or not, just we are taking information. When they complete the work, then it is our responsibility.
Okay, the one thing is that, sir, first of all, you give the order to them. After that, if they don't work,
in front of you only, I call them.
if
are
they don't
coming
work,
today.
then local people should be complain you.
Okay. Now you complain us, you give us in writing also. Then, okay, it will be better you give us in writing. Then according to that, I'll tell their manager or their contactor.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Your name, sir?
Don't know for the rank.
Okay. Are you the supervisor here?
No, I'm
Manager.
Manager.
Okay, thank you.